Hey, what's up, buddy? Can I help you?
I have all this recyclables and trash, and I don't really know what to do with it.
Well, you found the right guy to figure it out. Got great news for you. Right here is our 8-yard recycling commingle container. All you got to do is come over here, and right here on the front of the container, it shows you all the things you can and can't throw away in here. So as long as that bag's filled with these materials right here, go ahead and chuck it on in. Boom! One. Now we got over here our brand new trash compactor, and we've made things extremely easy for you students here. We broke it down into 3 basic, simple steps. Step 1, open the door. Step 2, throw away trash. Step 3, close door. Congrats, you did it. Let's test it out. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. You're done! Woo!
Dang, I didn't know how it could be so easy to throw away my trash and recycle my cycle.
Yep, here at the University of Findlay, we love orange and live green, buddy.